Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to buy Elevate premium version using PayPal. Before or after download it from the App Store by searching in Elevate in the App Store. Just click on download here and wait until it download and install itself, and then you will just open the application, so you will be able to buy the application or the premium version of the application. But first you will need to have an account of the application. So before connecting, they will give you some exercises or some tests to assess your skills or your level of skills. Then they will give you the panel or the window where you should create an account, and then you will log in and you will have exactly like this home page here. Then you will have to click on unlock elevate, this blue button here in the app in the top of the window, and just click on it and click on view all plans, and here you can choose the plan that you want to have or to buy, or you can go to your profile menu and at the top you can see unlock elevate. Click on it, and of course you will have the exact same window. After that, you have just to choose your plan that you want, click on the plan, and here for the iOS, they will require some identification, and then you can uh, 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 you need to have your password here, and so after giving all the information of your identification, they will redirect you here to this window for the iOS, and here you can choose PayPal. And after choosing PayPal, you should connect to your account, and after that, you will have your purchase done with PayPal. So I will just cancel now because I don't want to purchase the premium version. So those are the steps to buy premium version of Elevate using PayPal. Thank you for watching and goodbye.